Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have a very special guest,
Francella,
and she also has a YouTube channel, so you can check out her YouTube channel. I'm gonna be leaving the link to her channel in the description box.
You heard?
What's the name of your channel though?
Francella Bella.
Okay, today we are going to do our makeup using we're gonna be using Daiso products, so dollar store products, to do our makeup.
They cheap but they look good.
Yeah, the trick is I selected 5 items for her and she selected 5 items for me.
So she doesn't know what I got and I didn't know what she got.
Exactly. By the way, guys, we actually have on foundation because of course we're in Japan and it's gonna be hard for us to find foundation or powder that fits our skin tone, so we already have on a little foundation and powder.
I'm gonna introduce my 5 products that I bought at the dollar store. The first one is a concealer palette, and number 2 is a powder eyeshadow. I got a mini lipstick, that's number 3.
They need to see it. Okay.
And I got a lip gloss to go with the lipstick.
Lipstick and lip gloss for
lipstick me? And lip gloss. And the last thing is a brow pencil. Girl, gotta get them brows done.
All right, so let's see what I bought for her. I bought mascara. Do you wear mascara?
I like mascara, but love and hate relationship. We got a love and hate relationship because every time it just mess up somehow.
I bought some eyelashes, but yeah, but these are simple, basic.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Eyeshadow, blush, and next I got this lip gloss, lipstick type of thing. Before we actually apply these products, comment below and let us know who selected the best 5.
I think I selected the best 5.
No, I think I selected the best 5 because I have eyelashes. Like, this is what completes
well, that's a point.
the look.
She has a point.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, let us know what you think in the comments below. I'm going to fix her brow with this brow pencil.
My eyebrow needs to shave, so I'm sorry. Let me apologize.
Don't worry, I'll fix that.
This is a spoolie. Oh yeah. Oh,
it comes with a spoolie, guys. 100 yen, but it comes with a spoolie. $1.
Fancy. All right.
So right now I'm just brushing the hairs in a nice little position. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it on. I think it's a bit difficult, guys, because we can't use any other product, only the 5 products that we chose. So there's no way I can clean up her brow or anything like that with any form of concealer.
Jeez.
She has freak out already.
Look at this. This is big.
Great, I think I'm done.
Okay, no comment. All right.
No comment.
I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow palette to her eyes. You can barely see anything.
Well, yeah.
But yeah, at least a soft look. Let me try and blend out the crease.
Product number 2, eyeshadow powder.
And product number 2 for her is the blush.
Alright, so we're gonna use one of the color brushes to apply it first, and then we're gonna use the fluff brush and just blend it. So I'm gonna wet the brush a little bit because we're having a lot of fallout here.
Oh, I see.
I'm going to try and blend this one in. With the brush, but you know, blending with fingers is better. So and to the other side, guys. Dance hall queen in the building. Popping fresh like Pillsbury Doughboy. I like it.
Next, blush. Smile.
I have big cheeks, guys. I don't have to smile, right?
I don't like to put on a lot of makeup, you know, so just blending it. Okay, and next one, to turn that side. What do you guys think?
So far, I kind of feel like she's doing a good job.
Thank you. And
although I was worried about the eye part.
Yeah, I don't like the eyeshadow.
I don't like the eye powder. It messed up our face right there. So product number 3, lipstick.
Eyelash, yes.
I really like the packaging for this one. Looks expensive, right?
Yeah,
looks good. So we're using the You Are Glam lipstick from the dollar store. Sexy and healthy makeup. Alright, this is like a soft color. I like it. It's soft.
It smells nice too.
Smells nice. Oh my god.
Trying to figure out what it smells like.
I like it. It's kind of like a mauve peachish tone. I really like that undertone. There you have it.
The eyes are too bright for this.
For the lipstick, right? It doesn't match it.
But you know, eyelashes. Let me measure it on your eyes. This is so. It's actually smaller.
This is made for Asian eyes, guys.
Yeah, because this is small. You don't have to cut it. I am applying the eyelash glue to the eyelash.
We're waiting.
Yes.
For it to dry.
This has a lot more glue on this one, because the other one I put less glue on it and it's lifting. Alright, open your eyes. Okay, alright, so that's it.
Lashes are done.
Yeah.
Lip gloss.
So she bought lipstick and lip gloss.
Yes. So we're gonna put on this one. What's your next product?
Oh, my next product is lipstick.
So this lipstick is called Why Not. Why not put lipstick on her? So let's put lipstick on her. To be honest, it looks like a lip paint, but it says a gloss. Let's see. Okay, it is a gloss. To be honest, if she was going to like a dance hall party, then this look would actually.
No, I wouldn't.
It would look good.
If I was
especially
going,
if it was nighttime.
No, I would not wear like a bright eye with a bright lip. So it would be either or.
Yeah, but I'm the one dressing you, not you dressing yourself.
Okay, sorry.
I'm fixing her.
All right, so I'm gonna apply this lipstick or lip gloss. Ugh.
I kind of feel like she put it on too much, you know.
No, remember, okay, your eyes are already
like
dull.
Ursula.
Your eyes are dull, so I need the lips to pop. Whose lips look better? Yours. This color looks better.
Okay. The final product
is mascara for her.
Mascara for me, and it's a concealer. I'm just gonna clean up her fallouts with the concealer.
This is my complexion.
I don't know. It's the Asian stuff. Y'all, this last product don't make no sense.
You should have gotten the eyelashes.
Yeah.
Cause not even mascara come out my eyelash and look bare.
Let's work some magic here. I'm trying to conceal the fallouts, guys. I'm not sure this is a good thing. This product is not doing the job. The fallout has disappeared.
Mascara time. Oh shoot.
I don't think the mascara won't work in our butts.
It's lifting.
Let's see.
Oh, look up. No, look straight ahead. Okay, look at this.
Time to review the look.
Yes.
Look number 1 and look number 2. What do you think about my look?
Well, I like the lips and I like the mascara. I don't like the blush because it's not that bright. Yeah, I don't like it. Not that it's supposed to be bright, but it's when I apply it to the skin, it doesn't have, you know, that the look that it usually has when you apply blush to your skin, like
Yeah,
a
I know what
reddish
you
look.
mean.
Like in person, it doesn't look. I don't like how it looks.
It doesn't highlight me.
Yes, that. Yeah.
But
I don't like the eyeshadow.
I'm not a
Yeah.
really and truly, it's like highlighting my cheeks and stuff like that is not really a big deal for me, so I kind of actually like the blush on this. So I think you picked a good thing for me. Thanks. And the eyeshadows, I don't usually wear eyeshadows, girl, so that's just like a plus.
Yes. What about the eyelashes?
The eyelashes are, I mean,
blend right in.
exactly, they blended into my eyelashes, so it seemed like I don't have any on, you know, but it's cool. Some people like that, some people don't. I don't have a preference because I don't like long lashes going up, like how you have long fingernails.
Yeah,
you can't cook with those. But yeah, it's cool. I like it. So I would give this look, I would really give this look at 8 out of 10.
Really?
8 out of 10.
You
Because
know
we
what,
only
what
had
am
like
I-
5 products, guys. We couldn't use anything else, just 5. Her selection was really good. Say for example, you're on a budget, a light budget, and you need something so that you can look good. I think she chose the right product.
That's what, because
yeah.
I wanted to, you know, spread it out, so you have a product for your eye, blush, lips, stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah, so 8 out of 10.
All right, thank you. And for me, what was your favorite product out of what you selected for me?
Well, I was going for a more dance hall vibes look, and I wanted to recreate her into a different person.
Clearly with them eyeshadow here.
So one of those dance hall queens from 19 how long. And to be honest, the only thing I like so far is the lips. The lippies are lit. I
Which
really
one?
like
Both of
those.
them?
Yeah, both of them, because the gloss seems to give the lipstick a really nice finish. So I really like both of those, and I like the brow pencil. If I were using other products, then I would clean up her brows, but we can't break the rule for this one. We have to stick to the 5 products. The shadow, oh my goodness, I didn't expect it to be so bright, to be honest. Most Asian products are just bland, so I wasn't expecting it to pop like that. So it gave her, yes, it gave her the popping dancehall vibes look, but I was hoping it would be a little bit more softer.
Okay.
So how much you give this look?
I would give it maybe like a 7.
Sure.
Okay, alright, maybe 8 because I like the eyeshadow. If I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna wear it because I like it, but it's just that I would add some other stuff to it to kind of tone it down. And I also like the lip products because this is like basic, you know, if you want to go on the road, you do not like a bright, I wouldn't wear like a bright red in the middle of the day, but I would wear this, something like this. So yeah, so I like the lip products and I like the eyeshadow. The eyebrow, I'm not so sure because I don't usually do much with my eyebrow. Every time I do my eyebrow, one always look slightly different from the other, so I just leave it simple stuff. Yeah, so 8.
Okay.
Yes.
But surprisingly, because I would give this look like about 6. I would give it a 6. You know why? Because
of how bright?
No, because if I was thinking clearly, which I wasn't.
Oh, because you don't like, for example, my eyelashes.
There are no lashes.
Here,
yeah.
Nothing, no little, you know.
Yeah. And you know that lashes and brows are essential. So I would give it a 6 because the lashes are not in there.
Okay. Well, there are what, 3 out of the 5 products that I would use.
Okay.
So yeah, so the eyebrow, the 2 lip products, and maybe the eyebrow thing.
All right, so final vote. Still 8?
7.
7.
Yeah,
And
7 or 6. So I win.
She win.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, comment below and let us know what you think about our looks. Would you actually wear this, or would you rather wear this?
Or what like individual products would you buy from Daiso dollar store here in Japan?
Yeah, we want to know the products that you're using, so put that down below as well.
Yeah, all right, so thank you guys for watching my video today. Don't forget to go over Francine's channel to view this video as well and her other videos.
And don't forget to like,
subscribe,
and share with all your friends and your family.
Until next time, bye.
Bye.